Roxanne Lee commented, Bukit Gombak ke? Yes boss, it is in Bukit Gombak. Our frozen mart is located at 374 Bukit Batok, Street 31, 01214. It's just right opposite Bukit Gombak MRT, but of course you have to walk a bit lah guys. So you walk towards going to the Tohiro or Alif restaurant, okay guys? So we are situated here at unit 214. So in our frozen mart, you can grab all the full range of Pondok Abang products plus, okay guys. We have got oil, we have got Zam-Zam, we have got Pak Man paste, we have got Ding Ding, we have got some seafood products, we have got your pasar needs like all the processed meat. What are the processed meat like beef cubes lah, beef mince, mutton cube, tulang, and of course chicken cuts guys, okay? Chicken that are cut into 8 pieces, okay guys? So do drop by to our frozen mart to check out the products, and you can make payment using your PDR voucher. You can make payment via PayNow. You can make payment by using your cards, okay guys, and cash. So we welcome everyone. And if you are sometimes feeling a bit tired, we also have Eureka drinks, okay guys? We have the Eureka energy drink in tin form. You have the shots, okay guys? So guys, we try to be a one-stop place for you to shop for your needs, okay guys? Not every need, but when it comes down to your needs in your kitchen, okay? And our objective is to make it fast, convenient, and delicious, okay guys? So we look forward to seeing you guys here. Thank you very much for your continuous support. Assalamualaikum. And if you haven't seen this video on how to get to our frozen mart, check it out. The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.